I tossed a couple of old problems on here just to kind of mix a couple of things in. So it says, given the arithmetic sequence 7, 10, 13, blah, 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 it tells you it's arithmetic. That means adding, and you're adding 3. All right, plus 3, plus 3. Find the explicit formula. All right, so the explicit formula was an equals a1 plus n minus 1 times d. All right, well, a1 is 7, d is 3. So it's an equals, this right, a1 equals 7 plus n minus 1 times 3. Okay, no problem. Find the number of terms. All right, well, this might be a bit of an issue here. I got to figure out what the heck 55 is. All right, well, what I would do, I mean, there's lots of things you can just sit there and keep going and figure out how many terms it is to 55. You could also do this. This is borderline for what I would do. Okay, so I'm going to solve that. It's a little bit iffy to solve. So it's going to be 48 equals n minus 1 times 3. I'm just going to distribute this from that side. So 48 equals 3n minus 3. Uh, 51 equals 3n. Sorry, I was doing math in my head there. I thought I had done something wrong. Divided by 3. I think that's 17. Okay, so how many terms are there? 17. I'm going to be honest, probably a lot of you wouldn't know to do that. So what you would do is just literally, whoops, that's not what you would do. You would write out your sequences here. You'd write 1, 2, 3, and then just keep going and figure out how far you have to go to get to 55. That's what I would do if you don't know how to plug it into the formula like that. All right, so 17 terms, and then C probably says find the sum. So find the sum of the sequence. All right, now I can sit there and I can type out 17 numbers, 7 plus 10 plus 13, and keep going. And again, that is a completely realistic option. All right, or I can be like, all right, well, E, it starts at, now you have to be careful here. Remember, these are the numbers of the terms. N equals 1 to 17. I always put n equals 17 on top, but I'm not supposed to. Of 7, hang on, I got to put the right formula in there. 7 plus n minus 1 times 3. All right, that's why I figured the formula out. Okay, so if I can do this, then I can go through. Now, that's a bunch of work. So like I said, I could just take the calculator and type in 7 plus 10 plus 13 and keep going. All right, but I'm going to figure that out, so I'm going to do it that way. So alpha window 2, x equals 1 to 17 of 7 plus x minus 1 times 3. 527. And if you did it all out, I guarantee you got 527. All right, so I've got that right there. It's a much harder problem to work through if I've got to think about the algebra, and I have trouble with that. If I just write the numbers out, honestly, probably it's not that bad to do. It's just going to take me a little bit of time.